I just got emergency first thing in the morning call from my neighbor whose water broke and it's going all over the place. Long story short, they need a 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch adapter for a PVC pipe. And they have all the other things they need to put their water back together. But they're like, oh my god, oh my god. And I'm like, all right, I can make one. Just give me like 20 minutes. So, whipping out my little thing. I can do it on my, yeah. All right. Oh, I always keep a bunch of PVC junk. All right, I need a 3/4, then I need a 1/2 inch to measure. Where's a 1/2 inch? All right, there's a 1/2 inch. There's a thread in there. Wait a minute, no. The 1/2 inch one, that's to fit on the 1/2 inch pipe, not on the adapter. Right. Just woke up. All right, can I open this enough to get this in here? Oh, this is... Whatever. This opens enough. I can get that. Come on. All right. Still enough room to tighten, right? All right, I'll carve out the middle first. Get that to the 1/2 inch size. All right, a little out of practice here, but let's see what we can do. Oh, that's actually a good size for the outer part. It's going to taper in. Oh crap, that totally fits. It's... All right, I got it. Okay. All right, that hole is good. Nice. Yeah, that hole's about perfect. It was not difficult to get in there, but once I got it in, and it was stuck. So glued in, should be good. Now, the outside, I think I'll still grab it from the outside. I can't grab it from this end because this is not hexagonal. It's got 8 things and this is a 3-jaw grabber. So I'm going to have to round this out just so I can flip it and put it that way. So, alright. Reverse direction. Get this close to where I'm going. Should be rounded enough. Yep. Good. I'll just flatten off the end there too to make sure it sits flush against the back. Oh crap. I'm gonna stick this. Alright, let's just switch to the other jaws. That's probably gonna be the fastest. The other jaws fit in this way, so I grab it, the thing won't be sticking out too far. Okay. Oh, other jaws right here. These aren't numbered, and I can look at the number to figure out where they go, but I just stick them in and look. Actually, that looks like it's about right. If you put them in the wrong way, then they're not even. Blah, blah. Let's just shut up and go. Oh, I just oiled this, and now I don't want to touch the PVC part. I gotta go wash my hands. Hold on. So, obviously, this isn't really my problem that I have to deal with, but for my neighbors to get this one stupid part is quite an ordeal, and I can just make it for them, so I'm just doing it. Okay, I just have to carve that down until it fits there. Carve it. Just see where that is. You got here dreadlocks? Oh, still a lot more, yeah. Getting kind of close to the jaws. I don't want to hit the jaws with the cutter. Oh, that's super snug. Is that good? That might be a little bit too snug. Okay, tiny bit more. Like that. Okay, that is good. Alright, let's confirm 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch adapter. I'm not going to squish them together because it fits real snug. Okay. Beauty! I'm not delivering it though. They're going to have to come get it. Oh, that's some good looking stuff right there.